This is how you set the time and also wind your Tissot Powermatic 80. If you are new to the channel, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and also check out our two websites, watchesineurope.com for watch reviews and tutorials, and vintageradar.com for vintage and pre-owned watches. So guys, if you have a Tissot Powermatic 80 just like this one, or other Tissot watches that are powered by a mechanical movement or an automatic, you can set the time and wind it using this tutorial. It will work for most of the watches, not all of them. So the first thing that you want to do is to pull the crown to the last position in order to set the time. You can do that by rotating the watch hands in a clockwise direction. This particular Tissot model also has the hacking, meaning that when you do that, the seconds hand stops, and when you push the crown all the way back in, it will start working again. After you have set the time, push the crown all the way back in. This particular model is powered by an automatic movement, meaning that when you will look here on the back, it has this extra metallic part that will actually move as I rotate the watch, meaning that when you move your wrist, this metallic part will actually wind the watch for you. It is called a rotor. Now this movement also has a manual winding option, meaning you can also manual wind the watch, and you do that by rotating the watch crown to the right, so in a clockwise direction, and you can also hear the watch wind. You can wind it for around 30 to 40 times in order to reach that 80-hour power reserve. And after that, you are done. You have set the time and you have also winded your watch. That was the quick tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If so, make sure to give the thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you on the next video.